come o, this question some students no like am but e dey very easy. I say if it takes 5 hours to drain a container of 450.0 cm of water, what is the flow rate of water from the container in kilogram per seconds? Might show you something, and they give us density to be 1000 kilogram per meter cube. Now this 5 hours na time, this cm cube na they call volume. They also give us density. Now when they come ask you for flow rate, the formula for flow rate, I'll first start from there. Flow rate, we'll put it like this: ft flow fr flow rate, the formula for flow rate now mass over time. So we go surely use that 5 hours wey they give us. But now, how do we solve for this mass? They don't give us mass, but they give us volume and they give us density. But there's a relationship. The relationship say whenever you get density equals mass over volume. So what we will do now, we'll make this mass subject of formula. We'll bring and come down, use this one, multiply this one. So might rewrite this thing. Some persons could say, sir, you take do am. Sam, you know hard. Sam. Density, mass over volume. You feel am? Carry this mass, come here, carry these two, write them together. So you go say mass equals, you see mass equals density times volume. So mass will be equals to, what will be the density? 1000 times, what will be our volume? Our volume now, our volume now 450 centimeter cube, but we need to convert them to meter cube. Okay, so first things first, I go pause this one for here. So make I show you how go fit take convert. How go take convert this we need to convert this cm cube to meter cube. How do you do it? I'll go straight to the point. I no go bore you with many talk. 540. Just divide them by 1 by, you know, say na 540 cm cube. If you want to convert this one now to meter cube, we go divide them by 3 times. 3 times the way we take the convert am normally to meters. No bother. We go divide them by 1 million. I cannot stress your head. If you say 540 divided by 1 million, it will give you 0.00054. It will give you this thing. Thank you. 0.00054. Now it will give you. You dey get. Now if you give you 0.00054, there's a way we go take write this one in decimal. If you want to write it in decimal place, you go count. I use this brown one. You count 1, 2, 3, 4. You see am? So you go fit say 5 point. I use the white pattern. 5.4 times 10 raised to the power of minus 4 meter cube. So now like this they convert them. So what I just literally do, I carry this 540 divide them by 1 million. If you use them like this, but for the exam they just use them like this as he give you. Okay, so you'll say 1000 abi, because say 1000 times 0.000 54. If you punch and like that, the thing will give you more punch a calculator. I will also teach how to multiply raised to power maybe for the next video. So 0.00053 zeros abi 54 times 1k, give me 0.54. So I get 0.54 here. I'll multiply again. 5 5.4 raised to power of times 10 raised to power of 4 of minus 4, okay, times 1k, give me 0.54. 0.54. So see wetin I dey multiply. Say let's say I don loss, no loss. See am. So I dey try solve for the mass by multiplying these both together. How I take get this 1000? See, na the 1000 from the density. How I take get this one here? Na this 540 centimeter cube, but they no dey use centimeter cube for physics, so I need to convert am to meter cube. And how do you do? Divide it by 1000. Sorry, by 1 million. That's what I did here. Look at it. I divided it by 1 million. Then it gave me this number here. So what I did next is to, instead of using it like this, I converted it to an exponential form. So you get raised to power of standard form, raised to power of minus 4. Then I brought it back to multiply your 1000. You get. So it give me now this mass they give me 0.54 kilogram. Now go back to your flow rate. And this 0.54 kilogram, if you carry this one come here, if you write it like this, 5.4 times 10 raised to power of minus 1 kilogram. You see, if you write it like that. Now, flow rate equals mass over time. Mass is equals to 5.4 times 10 raised to power of minus 1 over, wetin be your time? 5 hours. You go say 5 times 60 times 60. The reason why they multiply and times 60 times 60 so that I won't convert them from 5 hours to minutes and from minutes to seconds, because now seconds now they accept for physics. So your flow rate is 3 times 10. I multiply these things first. I see wetin go give me for my own calculator here. So 0.54 times, sorry, divide by 5 times 60 times 60. You give me 388. 388.8. 388.8. 3, see what you give me? 388.8. I fit carry this one come here 1, 2. The answer will come be flow rate equals 3. You go watch this video again for those of you who I no like calculation. 38 times 10 raised to the power of, notice where the thing go. The thing go like this. The thing go like this. Notice where it go. The thing go like this. So it's minus 2. Minus 2 kilogram per seconds. 9 be that. Now I'll give you a task where you go try. Listen to the task below. Listen. The task where you go solve be say, if it takes 6 hours to drain a container of 750 centimeter cube of water, what is the flow rate of water from the container in kilograms per seconds? Take your density of water to be 1000 kilogram per meter cube. They know they change that 1000 for the density of water, na constant value. Thanks for watching, and go see you for the next one.